Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to get ads for extra rewards in Candy Crush Saga so you can make the most of every game session. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Candy Crush Saga app. Make sure you have the latest version installed to avoid any glitches, and be sure you're logged into your account for everything to work properly. Step 2. After opening the app, you might notice that the ads option isn't showing directly on the screen. But don't worry. I'm going to explain a simple method that helps you get it easily and make those rewards available. Step 3. Now, swipe down from the top of your phone screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Here, check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. This is very important because ads won't appear without an active internet connection. Step 4. Now go back into the game and start playing normally. After a few moves or levels, you'll notice that the option to watch ads will start to appear. You can tap on the ad icon to watch a short video and instantly receive extra lives or special rewards like boosters. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get ads for extra rewards in Candy Crush Saga, and now you can enjoy the benefits without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.